I am here to remind you you are as beautiful as the nature that surrounds you. Your body was created to be a divine tool for healing. I encourage you to go for a walk in the park and feel the different textures of nature. Take your shoes off. Put your feet in the grass. Allow yourself to be recharged by the beautiful energy that surrounds us. Look around and just notice the different colors, the different flowers, the fruits, and flowers to be tasted. Take a moment to breathe, inhaling through your nose and exhaling very slow through your puckered lips.